so topical in the current context. As you see, it's really about creating technologies that define and drive human progress. And in the India's context, if you will, our aspiration for India is very simple yet bold. To democratize access, to democratize AI, these technologies for 1 billion plus people. And how do we do that? We do that by 3 ways. It's really about creating responsible AI infrastructure. It's about creating inclusive skilling. And third, from the point of view of sustainable solutions, solutions that will drive the business outcomes and societal outcomes. We believe sovereign AI matters. During the course of this event today, we did talk about hyperscalers, data residency, perhaps not within India, but we believe that sovereign AI, data residency within India is important. It matters a lot. Keeping data in country, training on India data sets, being thoughtful about Indian ethics, thoughtful about the specific cultural norms, languages, extremely important. And so with that in mind, we basically have created solutions and services to serve India's interests. I thought no better way but to just start with this case example. I'm a big fan of storytelling. So I believe compelling stories basically demystify complexities, make them very simple. And when it comes to establishing the state-of-the-art AI infrastructure, perhaps one of the best examples here is Zoho. I'm sure many would have heard about Zoho, has been in the news lately as well, as part of the Honorable Prime Minister's Atmanirbhar Bharat related messages. But Zoho is really, as we know, Chennai-based $1 billion global software company. And I was having a chat with its founder, Sridhar Vembu, a few months back, as to Sridhar, what exactly are your aspirations in terms of Zoho? What are you really looking for? And his response was like, I want to take this application to all parts of the world and disrupt the applications, be it CRM that we are into, sales, HR, collaboration, and so on. So what do we have right now is a portfolio of about 50 odd applications across these various verticals. He also mentioned that they are looking for 5 things. They want scale, they want sovereignty, of course, speed in terms of rolling out new features, context, and we talked about some of the AI agents in the last session as well from a marketing point of view. How do you really contextualize AI to the specific business workflows, be they in marketing, sales, and so on? And of course, autonomy. So that it's not just human only, it's the human in the loop. We basically are able to do autonomous operations using AI. And so how did Zoho really solve this? Zoho deployed the Dell AI infrastructure with NVIDIA as a platform, servers, compute capability, high performance accelerators coming in from NVIDIA, strong high-speed networks, and then all supported by Dell operations support. And with this, they are able to run agents pretty much across the various workflows, be they from the point of view of revenue growth, from the point of view of deal administration, and from candidate screener, all those really delivering those business outcomes. This is really the impact that we are seeing, that we are witnessing with a global software provider at scale. 130 million subscribers, 130 million users of the Zoho app as it exists today are running on this specific platform. So what's really the key takeaway, if you will, from Zoho point of view, and then getting into PhonePe? Zoho to me is really about how to do AI right. And then if you look at this other example of PhonePe, to me it's really about doing the operations right. When it comes to PhonePe, PhonePe really is a master class in terms of how do you scale out your IT operations. For a digital payments provider that has more than 600 million subscribers, 40 million merchants, and doing about $1.2 trillion of business every month. You require a platform which is very strong, reliable, scalable. And this is what PhonePe has gone ahead with. Just to elaborate on what exactly they chose in terms of